Afternoon, gardening friends. It is Sunday, April the 28th, 2019, and we're getting an update on our beautiful container garden. I hope you're blessed. I hope you went to worship today. God bless you, and let's see what we got in here. Y'all know the drill. We got 17 buckets, and we're going to start from right here. Now, man, these plants have been in the ground just 3 weeks, and I did not go from plants. I started from seed. Everything started from seed. I did not buy any pre-grown plants. The first one here, we have Mammoth sunflowers in these two buckets. Then this one, we have our watermelon. We got all four of them growing except the last one here. Yep. Except this last one here, I had to replant. The leaves were burnt and brown. I don't know if it was from me watering it when it was too hot. The other ones that you can see they seem to be okay. So they seem to be fine. Yeah, it's a little dry, but it's too hot to water. It's like 80 something degrees right now. I'm sorry for the noise in the background. That's my son. Okay, these are wildflowers with the green peppers. And these two buckets, believe it or not, are aromas. And I put a bunch of seeds in there thinking, oh, they're not going to all sprout. But as you see, they have. So when they get a little bigger, I think I'll thin them out. And I did watch the Louisiana Gardening Family Tomato Challenge. Now, I noticed that I started from seed, and I don't have that fancy green hoop house. But I'm going to try my best because I've tried tomatoes in the garden, and they've not done well. But we're going to see how it works. These two are spaghetti squash. Look how big and pretty. Whoa! And we got two in here, and I don't know what this is. I'm assuming this is grass, so you got to go, buddy. Yeah, you got to go. I think I got another one right here. Yep, you got to go, buddy. That's our spinach. Right. More spinach. The wildflowers are coming up. Oh, okay, here it is. This is cinnamon basil. That's right. Of course, that's collards. I don't know if they're going to come up or not. I know it's out of season. This thing, I need y'all help with. I meant to look up some YouTube videos and see what to do about this. I don't know if this thing is dying or what's going on with it. It may be dying. I'm assuming the flowers mean going to seed. I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all think's going on. If y'all have any questions, comments, any suggestions, please leave them below in the comment box. I'll leave all the listing of the vegetables and fruits that we have in the buckets in the description box. And I'm also going to try to upload more and get some more content up here. I do have other hobbies such as knitting. I also do a lot of baking. I'm starting my baking business and just like to stay busy. Single, sanctified woman of God, try to stay busy and raise my son. But anyway, if you got any questions, comments, leave them below. Thank you, y'all. God bless you, and have a great day.